My name is Dr. Nur'ashikin. I am a consultant neurologist and I'm also the director of BNSRC, which is the Brunei Neuroscience Stroke and Rehabilitation Centre. I was very lucky as a student to be a recipient of the Special Scheme Scholarship to study A-levels and medicine in the United Kingdom. And the scholarship was granted by the government of His Majesty and Yang di-Pertuan Negara Brunei Darussalam. And I think having the privilege of having such a scholarship has contributed to wanting to give back to the people of this country and serve as a doctor. I went to the University of Nottingham, where I studied medicine, and when I graduated, I went on to do housemanship as well as internal medicine basic specialty training, also in the UK. And I started my neurology career actually by doing neurology research, and I ended up doing a doctorate in neurology. And following this, I went into my higher specialty training in neurology in a number of centres in Bristol, in Plymouth, and in Nottingham. And it was in Nottingham that I also developed a special interest in medical education. So as a neurologist, we treat disorders of the nervous system. So this means the brain, the spinal cord, nerves and muscles. So the most common disease that we treat is actually stroke, which is the fourth leading cause of death in this country and the biggest contributor to disability worldwide. Apart from stroke, we see a number of other conditions like epilepsy, degenerative conditions like dementia and Parkinson's disease, and one of the commonest conditions that we treat in our outpatient clinic is actually headaches and migraine. A big part of what we do is actually teaching and training. So we teach patients and their carers about their conditions and how to manage them. And we also do a lot of teaching and training amongst ourselves as doctors, allied health professionals, nurses, and we also teach students from a range of universities, including our local university, University Brunei Darussalam, and students coming to us from abroad. BNSRC started out life in 2010 as a joint partnership with a German hospital and the Jerudong Park Medical Centre, and was very specifically a specialised stroke service. In 2018, the decision was made to actually expand out BNSRC's services to all of neurological conditions in Brunei Darussalam, giving the people of this country an opportunity to avail themselves of the really fantastic facilities that we have here. It's extremely important to us that neurological conditions are seen in a timely way and that the care that is given is expert, coordinated and patient-centered. We have a mission to provide neurological care that is not only of international standard but sustainable for the long term, and that everyone gets the care that they deserve.